The power loggers were installed on all the air compressors. That data is being taken from the time they were installed until the end of this project. So the whole idea is we go through with the acoustic imager, we find as many leaks as we can, we fix as many leaks as we can, and then we come back and we look at the energy usage after a month's worth of data to really see how much energy we're saving.
The process of hooking up the Fluke energy loggers was quite simple. We had to verify that the power supply was off on the unit, and we was able to wire in the unit with the incoming power to the air compressor. And after that, we was able to hook up amp meter clamps, hook on each individual line, so it detects the amount of amperage the unit is pulling at in a certain part of the day. Kind of like give us an idea of how hard the compressor is running or how hard the motor is pulling.
So after an initial scan like this, customer can expect to find 10 to 15% savings after fixing their leaks. And they can verify that by using Fluke energy loggers. The reason to use the energy logger is to see truly how much energy you've reduced from those air compressors after fixing the leaks.
The goal of having these loggers is from two aspects. First, we want to get a reading on how, without making any corrections on the floor, how hard the compressors are running. And after we get that input, we go out, find the leaks, correct the leak, and then go back and get another picture of how hard the compressor is running after the leak's being completed, so we can see the amount of money that the company is saving by the job we did out there.